AO MindSync is a powerful tool designed to help you elevate your thoughts, reprogram limiting beliefs, and bring your mind and body into energetic alignment using the power of your own voice. Let's walk through it. The first thing you'll see are the script options at the top. Here, you'll find custom and preloaded scripts. Custom scripts are perfect if you already know your affirmations and want to record your own. Preloaded scripts provide guided affirmations with a built-in teleprompter. You can also scan for a recommended script, and the system will suggest an option based on your energetic needs. Once you've selected your script, tap Record to begin. If you're using a custom script, speak your affirmations out loud with intention until the timer ends. If you're using a preloaded script, follow the teleprompter and speak each affirmation clearly and confidently. You don't need to finish the full list. When you're done, simply tap Stop and AO MindSync will process your recording automatically. Before fully listening to your recording, take a moment to customize your session. Just below the Record button, you'll see the Offset Hertz option. This uses binaural principles where slightly different frequencies are delivered to each ear. It's not a binaural beat, but it works similarly by guiding your brain into specific frequency states. You can choose from low, medium, high. We recommend starting with high. If it sounds uneven or creates a wobble effect, try switching to medium or low until it feels balanced. You'll know it's synced when the sound feels like it's coming from the center of your head, a sign that you've crossed the conscious barrier, allowing affirmations to reach deeper into the subconscious. If you enable the Offset Hertz setting to your recording, use headphones or earbuds to ensure accurate frequency delivery to each ear. To personalize your AO MindSync session even more, toggle Tone On to target a specific emotion and select the emotion from the list provided. Add background music from the built-in library. Adjust the volume levels between your voice, the tone, and the music to create your ideal blend. Once everything sounds right, tap Play to begin your session. Or tap the envelope icon to save your recording or send it to yourself. AO MindSync recordings are not stored in the app, so be sure to email them before exiting.